Let's see. Are you a boy or a girl? It's a boy. A boy. We've got a son, Catherine. A beautiful, healthy baby boy.
Oh, James. We did it. A son. Our beautiful son.
You've got a bright future ahead of you, son. I'm sure of it. Look at you. Look at you. Hi there. I'm your daddy, little guy. Daddy. You're going to need a name, aren't you? Mara and I have been talking. What do you think about... That's a good name, don't you think? Fits you perfectly. Looks like they've finished the gene projection. Let's see what you'll look like when you're all grown up. you're going to look a lot like your dad. See that, Catherine?
Oh, oh, very strapping.
It's a big world out there, son, full of all sorts of people. What about you? What kind of person are you going to be? You're just
James?
Catherine?
James.
Catherine! She's in cardiac arrest. Start compressions.
James.
Get the baby out of here. Move! Move! 1,000. 2, 1,000. Come on. Hang on, Catherine. Hang on. Okay?
Just remember one thing. We need a doctor, not a deadbeat. This one's on the house. Fail to meet my expectations and there will be repercussions.
James and his cheerly chatter.
Straight into the light
Your
of
future will be
native
bright.
boys in this place will feel just like something you get used to down here. Come on over here, son. Come on. Walk to Daddy. Just a little further. Come to Daddy. There you go. My goodness, just a year old and already walking like a pro. Your mother would have been so proud. Listen, kiddo. Take care of yourself for a minute. You just stay here while Daddy runs to his office. You'll be okay, pal. I'll be back in a bit. You are quite the little explorer, aren't you? Serves me right for trying to pen you in. Come on over here. I want to show you something. See that? It was your mother's favorite passage. It's from the Bible. Revelation 21:6. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. I will give unto him that is athirst of the fountain of the water of life freely. She always loved that. All right, come on. Let's go see if your little friend Amada wants to play.
These experiments
Don't
are
be a damn
waste.
fool. We experiment to prepare. We prepare to survive. Of course I miss her. I miss her.
Stanley, you turned the lights on too fast. You blinded the poor kid.
Happy birthday.
Birthday!
Can you believe it? He was growing up so fast.
Happy birthday, pal. I can't believe you're already 10. I'm so proud of you. If only your mother...
Congratulations, young man. I don't have to tell you how special this day is, do I? Down here in 101, when you turn 10, well, you're ready to take on your first official vault responsibilities. So here you are. As overseer, I hereby present to you your very own Pip-Boy 3000. Get used to it. You'll be getting your first work assignment tomorrow.
Enjoy your party. You're only 10 once, so have fun.
Happy birthday! We really surprised you, didn't we? Your dad was afraid you were onto us, but I told him not to worry. You're so easy to fool. You're welcome. But really, your dad did most of it. I just helped with the decorations and stuff. Hey, I bet you can't guess what I got you for your birthday. Go on, guess. Gross. I didn't think you even liked girls. And you know what I mean, before you say something rude about me. I guess maybe I should give this to someone else. Someone who likes Grognak the Barbarian better than me and Christine. The question is, how could you tell the difference?
Oh man, you got a Pip-Boy. I wish I was 10.
Are you having a nice time?
Attention, everyone! Time to pop the cake!
What is that?
Happy birthday!
How's it going, pal?
Oh no.
What are you looking at, dork face?
Falsified about the cake.
Come on, Wally. You always have good ideas.
Yeah, I got one. The Mackers. Super cool, right?
Jeez, Wally. Who's the head of the gang? You or me? No way.
Enjoying
So, What do you
yourself?
think we should call our gang? It's gotta be totally
Daddy,
killer.
I told you not to act
Hey, how about
all
the Vault
official.
Dwellers?
I
Get
know
it?
you were joking, but
Who
I'm
wants
not
to
sure
go
anyone
around all
else
day
did.
being called a Vault Dweller?
Nonsense.
Sometimes
People
I think you
always
really are
enjoy
as dumb
my
as you
little
look.
speeches. Besides, that friend of yours could use a reminder that life is not all fun and games.
Are you having a nice
Remember,
time?
your
It's supposed
Pip-Boy
to be
is
a
not
party,
a toy.
you know?
Proper
Fun.
cleaning and
You
maintenance
should try
will
it
ensure
sometime,
the
Daddy.
device's
You might
operation
like it.
for this
Maybe
and
it's
future
Vault Rat.
generations.
Guys
Falsified
like
about
that?
the cake mishap.
That's a good one.
Falsified.
Best yet, don't you
Surprise
think,
him?
Wally?
I'm sure of it.
Shut up and let...
Are you having a nice party? 10 years old. My. Seems like only yesterday that your daddy came. Goodness, listen to me ramble. You're waiting for your present, aren't you? Fiddlesticks! What 10-year-old doesn't like presents? I was 10 once, believe it or not. My goodness, the vault was practically crowded back then. Not like today. So few young people now. But here I am rambling on again, and you listening so politely. Here you go, a nice sweet roll that I baked for you just this morning. And it's all for you. No sharing required today.
Me think
Never
a minute.
suspected a thing.
I'm hungry, and that stupid robot destroyed the cake. Give me that sweet roll you got from old lady Palmer. Don't you talk about my mom, you little punk.
Are you having
Gonna
Now
be
go
sorry,
on
you
and
little
enjoy yourself.
Thanks for coming, Stanley. I know you were busy with the water purifier. Everything's fine, I hope.
Butch, what do you think you're doing? Leave him alone. Me and Andy got her all fixed up again last night. Good. You all right, son?
I wasn't.
You didn't
You guys are dumb. Somebody's gotta have a better idea than those.
Anyway, I'm
Are you
glad
having
you're
a nice time?
Wally.
I hope Butch didn't hurt you. You want to tell me what that was all about? Why, that little... I figured it was him that started it. He's been nothing but trouble since the day he was born. You let me handle this and try to stay out of the way.
Happy birthday!
What's Butch's problem anyway? Right, that's exactly what I was thinking.
All right,
How are
Butch.
you enjoying the party, Mrs. Palmer? I helped with the
Officer
decorations, you know.
Gomez. Nice party.
Oh, really?
Can it?
They're
I've had it with you,
lovely.
Butch.
Did you know
Your mother is
you
going to
did
hear
The
such
about
a
this.
average life
splendid
expectancy of a resident in a properly maintained vault
Enjoying yourself?
is 92.3 years.
Officer Gomez, I'm glad you could make it.
I'm glad to be here. I think it's important to keep in touch with the young people. You know, as part of my job. Well, I like parties.
Are you all right? Is Butch giving you a hard time again? I'm glad to hear it. Once you start letting bullies push you around, you'll never see the end of it. Come on now. I bet there's someone else out there with a present for you.
Sure thing, Officer.
How do you like that Pip-Boy, son? Fit all right? As a matter of fact, I did. I'm glad you like it. Some may think the A-Series is a bit basic, but I've always preferred them for their reliability. Don't mention it. Oh, yes, I almost forgot. Happy birthday! Not much, but I hope you like it.
Well, it's been nice chatting with you. Thanks again for coming.
Snakes are cool, right? The vault snakes. What do you guys
Happy
think?
birthday, Sonny.
That's a good one. Best yet.
I hope you appreciate the effort Amata put into this party. She really seems to like you, for some reason. I do not allow the fact that Amata is my daughter to compromise my position as overseer. I gave her all the appropriate paternal encouragement, of course, but I could not contribute extra vault resources. That is simply what my position requires. No more, no less. I know Amata understands that perfectly well.
Don't you think, Wally?
Shut up and let me think a minute. What about the tunnel rats? Aren't rats tough enough?
I don't know. Maybe.
I don't know. I've got to think.
Jonas?
Hey, Doc. We're all set down here.
Thanks. I'll send him right down. How's it going, pal? Hey, that was Jonas on the intercom. He and I... Jonas is waiting for you downstairs on the reactor level. Go ahead.
Happy birthday, dearie. They sure did. My. 10 years old. And now look at you. A great... Of course.
Remember, your Pip-Boy is not a toy. Proper cleaning and maintenance will ensure the device's operation for this and future generations.
What are you doing down here, young man? If you can wait just one more minute, I think your dad...
Are you ready for your surprise? Your own BB gun. It's a little... You know how... So... We sure... Careful, it's a rad roach. Think you can take care of it with your BB gun? Just aim and shoot. You'll be fine. Stop screwing around. Son, I brought you into this world. I think you know the rest. Son, I brought you into this world. I think you know the rest.
Shoot at the target,
You do this.
okay? That's not a toy. Careful with that, sport.
I brought you into this world. I think you know the rest. What in God's name is wrong with you? Stop screwing around. What in God's name is wrong with you? Brought you into this world. I think you know the rest.
Remember, Vault 101 is America.
Good work. That's one less round. Let's get a pic. Hey, Jonas, get a picture of me with a big game hunter.
Smile.
Boys and girls have different parts.
What is their problem
right?
anyway? So, I'm the overseer's daughter, so what?
That
Like,
is
I
not
get any
correct.
kind of special
Tell me.
treatment.
Revelation 21:6. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. As far as I can tell, you're a perfectly healthy 16-year-old boy. So yes, you have to go to class to take your GOAT exam. Go on now. You've got a GOAT. The generalized occupation helps you. That's not the way it works. And it won't do to go around asking questions like that. Especially not around the over... I want to tell you something now. It's important, so listen closely. This place, you're safe here. Hey, it's not my call. Come on.
Hello?
Good morning.
I can show you a
Stopping to
real
see the
tunnel
old
snake,
man
Amata.
before class, eh?
God, Butch, why don't you just leave me alone?
Let's
go
What are
into
you
the
gonna do,
storeroom,
Amata? Go
I'll
run
show
and
you a
tell your
good
daddy on her? Yeah? What do you want?